Hi, I just wanted to say good morning, and I wanted to call you before you had to go to work, but I love you so much, and...
Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm currently out for a walk with Pluto, but today's my bridal shower. So I thought it'd be fun to take you guys through the full day. I already showered, washed my hair this morning. I feel like it's still kind of air drying, it's a little floopy, but it is currently 8 a.m. I need to take Pluto for a decent walk because he actually has to come for the drive to the bridal shower location with us. I'll explain a little bit more while we're doing a little get ready with me, but I think I'm gonna go pick up a latte this morning somewhere, treat myself. I'm so excited. I literally know nothing about what's happening for my bridal shower. I'm just showing up and everything's kind of a pretty big surprise. So I think it'll be really good. It's gonna be a great day. I just stopped in Room's cafe this morning. I think they have 4 or 5 locations across the city, but they have been my recent favorite and go-to. Everything is so consistent. The coffee, amazing. The matcha, also amazing. I think I found a new, I think I'm placing it like either 2nd or 3rd as top matcha in the city because it is so good. And the lattes are also so good. I'm not normally a like just give me a latte kind of girl, but this is the place where I'm like, I don't need anything in it. Just give me a regular whole milk latte. Amazing, so good. But needed a little pick me up this morning. I also know we're on a bit of a timeline crunch. So I was like, I know I'm not gonna have time to make coffee this morning. So here we are. Alright, I just got back from my walk with Pluto. Before I start doing my makeup and hair or anything, I need to pack my bag because knowing me, I'm going to take way too long doing my hair and makeup and then I'm going to forget everything that I need. So I'm going to pack my bag first, but I'm currently just wearing my little Pear glasses. These are the Reese frames. A big thank you to Pear for sponsoring today's video. I am obsessed with these. These are gonna be coming in my bag to my bridal shower with me. I don't know if my mom or the girls have anything planned for like looking on a screen or just like looking at things that are a little bit in the distance. These are obviously my prescription glasses and I absolutely love them because you can change the vibe with the toppers. It's literally so simple. So I have these burgundy, I think I'm gonna bring these, but I love how they're so customizable. And I'm also gonna throw in my pair of sun toppers because I don't know if we're gonna be outside or not, but it's always good and handy to have with me. I love how affordable Pear is and how customizable they are. Like I said, you can change up the vibe, whether it's matching your outfit or just matching what you're feeling that day, or literally you just want to change the glasses that you're wearing. The toppers are so affordable. They start at $25 and then the base frames are also so affordable. I used to pay upwards of like $400 for my prescription glasses and never ever will I do that again because Pear is not only customizable but so affordable and amazing. You guys can use my code. It'll just be here on the screen. It's Vanessa Tiiu 15 for 15% off your first pair. I could not recommend more. I love that I'm able to just change my glasses so quickly. This is another little topper that I got. I love them. These tortoiseshell ones are just so cute. So the base frame is like a dark tortoiseshell, but then if I want something a little bit bolder, we have these. I also love that they fit so easily in this little case, and then there's a section to add extra toppers in. So like I said, I'm gonna bring the brown ones today as well as the sun toppers in case I just want a bit of a sun topper or a different vibe. I'm gonna be putting these in here. I need to grab my jewelry for today as well as I think I'm going to probably bring my straightener, but I'm gonna bring my shoes, I'm gonna bring a little sweater. So I'm gonna grab all those things, pack them up in a bag before I get started on my makeup, because like I said, if I don't do it now, I just know there's something that I'm going to forget. All right, let's get ready for my surprise bridal shower. You're probably like, how is it a surprise if you know about it? It's a surprise in the sense that I have done nothing for this bridal shower other than literally make the welcome sign for my mom. And my mom has planned the entire thing. So I know nothing about what's going on. I'm so excited. I know the time and I know the location and obviously the date, But other than that, I know nothing. This has been such a like relinquished control thing for me. First things first, if I'm not looking directly at this camera, I'm also filming a TikTok Get Ready With Me at the same time. This is just what happens when you do too many platforms and you want to film the same thing, but for multiple platforms, so yeah. But I have about an hour and 15 minutes to get ready. I did stop and get a coffee this morning, as we saw. Also, I'm noticing that it kind of matches my outfit and I am here for that. I'm going for like a golden, glowy, I think golden, I'm trying to decide between golden and pinky makeup look, because obviously I'm wearing all white. I did get a spray tan yesterday and it was a little bit too dark on my wrists, but everywhere else looks so good and my face is a little bit lighter, which is good because I'll wear a little bit darker makeup. I'm gonna use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm hoping that the shade is not too light or too dark because I normally use it in the summer. I have a feeling that's gonna be too light right now. Okay, we need something a little bit darker than that. I just mixed my Giorgio Armani foundation with a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's the, where'd it go? It's the Beautiful Skin, yeah, the Beautiful Skin foundation. I used to love this stuff and I have a darker shade of it right now. I'll probably just bronze the heck out of my face so that it matches the rest of my body. But I do want to do like a little bit more of a glam, still like soft glam, and obviously less than my wedding is going to be, but I don't wear a ton of makeup on the day-to-day basis, but today I want to wear a little bit more because I want to look good in photos and because I think that'll be fun. But like I was saying, I have just over an hour to get ready, so I'm thinking like half an hour for makeup, half an hour for hair, so we are in a little bit of a rush, but it's fine. It's fine. It's all good. Okay, I'm just gonna powder my face just a little bit because I don't want any creasing, especially under my under eyes, and knowing me, I'm gonna be running around all over the place a little bit, and I don't want to get oily or sweaty and like my makeup to basically go away and come off. I also do think I'm going to end up changing at the venue just because it is about just over an hour drive away and we have to bring Pluto because we can't leave him alone all day. So Alan's going to my parents' place with Pluto during the bridal shower and he's going to be sitting in my lap, so I don't really want him to sit on my lap with the dress on. So I think I'm just going to change at the venue. I think that makes the most sense. Okay, so I know I did most of the makeup off camera, but this is the final look. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I still have to do my lips after I eat some breakfast, but she's glowy, she's good to go. I'm so excited. Makeup is done. Hair we're going for like a soft, bouncy 90s blowout. First I need to tame this. It is air dried, but we need to heat protect and spray it, and then I'm gonna use my Shark Flex style wrap thing. I've done some pretty good blowouts with that. And I have like 40 minutes, so I think I should have enough time to like do a very good job. It's more so just a matter of if my hair is going to stay, because it is humid outside today and my hair, whenever it's humid, doesn't like to hold straight, it doesn't like to hold curly, it just does what it wants, and so I probably will end up putting it up, but we're just gonna try and do our best. I'm also going to attempt to do one side of my head at a time because the Flex style has two things that go like different ways, and so if I want my hair to go the same direction, I have to kind of either switch the tool that goes in here every time I do a part of my hair, or just do one side and then the other side and see how this goes. We're gonna go for it. We'll see. I look so wacky right now, but it's fine. We're just gonna go for it. Oh, I'm doing this the wrong way. Hair and makeup are all done. Dress is all ready to go. We need to head out because of course, as usual, I'm late. Let's go. All right, this is the full look. We just touched up hair, touched up makeup a little bit. This is the vibe.
That what, 2 years ago? You were like,
yeah, it was making then. But this is the look. We have the dress on, matching little pearl shoes. Can you guys see those little pearl details? Pearl bag. We're ready to go. Everyone say hi to Alyssa and Jenny. Hello. I don't know when we need to head upstairs, but we're at the venue right now. We are. We're in like a little locker room space because I could not see anything as we walked in because I still want everything to be a surprise. So we walked in, I closed my eyes, was blindly led downstairs to finish getting ready, and now we're ready.
I think like, because we both have to like, fix their hair.
Whatever you think works. Your dress is so pretty, but oh my god, you try to coordinate me.
Okay, walk a little bit.
My like clunky shoes going up the stairs though.
Okay, now wait. Stunning. Hello. Wow.
We just got served lunch, full lunch. We had salads.
Delicious.
Looks bomb. We're excited. We're gonna eat food. I feel like sometimes I put on the vlog and I'm like, words just come out of my mouth and I don't know what I'm saying, and it's okay. I fully just ate an onion.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
I mean, it's good, but that's not what I was expecting. I thought I grabbed a mushroom. They're currently doing the like wedding dress game, so they're all making dresses in teams out of toilet paper. And then I'm going to judge all the dresses.